Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Today we are going to make a pendant light from a Ikea pendant light kit. They just sell these. I think it has like a 10-foot cord on it, 15-foot cord on there, and I found a apple or an orchard picking basket at a where did I find it? At an antique store. So we're gonna turn this into a hanging pendant light for the office. We're gonna do that. We gotta shave out the center with a Dremel, and we're gonna wear a little bit of PPE today. So I do appreciate all the comments I've been getting on the channel. It's nice to interact with you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the little, it's right down there in the corner. Hit that to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that you get notified when new videos come out. And if you could share this with your friends, that would be awesome. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before my birthday in March, so that would be a great birthday gift. So let's get this project started, and yeah, see you at the end. Ta-da! Hell yeah! Nice. Woo! All right, guys. That was cool. I like that. That was fun. Take those off. Don't forget your PPE. Chair. There we go. Well, there we go. Woo! All right, guys. So what I found out that is these cutting wheels actually do the best on this application. I tried the sanding wheel. Man, that would have taken me till tomorrow. I don't even know what wheel this is, but that didn't work out so well. And this little guy right here, same thing, didn't work really well. I know Dremel probably makes, or somebody makes things to do this. I don't have one. I was just going with what I had inside my shop. So yeah, make a really cool light. I think all of this, I think these are like $10, not even. Maybe, I don't know how much the Ikea ones are. This basket, I think I paid like $15 for it, or $20 for two, because I got two of them, so it wasn't really that much. So you can put like an Edison bulb, like an old-fashioned bulb in here. You could put a smart bulb in here, have different colors. I'll probably put an Edison bulb in it. It's going in my office. I like that look. Again, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I do appreciate you guys. And go ahead and watch or see the finished product hung in the office. And I will catch you guys next time.